What's up, you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Da 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 da. So guys, you all are wondering कि अचानक से मैंने ये रेड क्यों पहन लिया? That's because आज Christmas है and my video is based on that only. I've done a cooking video. No, I'm not. I'm not making burger. Shit. What? Okay. So today's video is gonna be about hot chocolate and I'm gonna show you all how I did it. Let's get started. Fingers crossed. I hope अच्छा बने. Oops. Merry Christmas.
So I took 500 ml of Amul milk and I kept it on the gas with a low flame. Then I added half teaspoon coffee for a flavor, but then this step is optional. It's up to you if you want to do it. After that, I added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Stir it well and make sure that everything dissolves properly. I used whisk in order to dissolve it properly. So now I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. It depends on you if you want sugar or not, and if you want more you can add it later. So in order to make the hot chocolate thick, I made a paste of 3 teaspoons of corn flour and 3 spoons of water. Add the amount of paste according to you in order to make it thick, but just make sure that you mix it properly and you stir it well. After that, I added 12 pieces of Amul dark chocolate. So I added more sugar because I wanted it to be more sweet. I also added 3 more pieces of dark chocolate. So now my hot chocolate's ready. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to stir it well, and after some time it will get more thick because of the corn flour. So now we're gonna make the whipped cream. For that, I bought the Tropolite whipping cream packet and I took 4 big spoons of that in a huge bowl. I kept on whisking it for a long time. So at times you might have to add ice into the whipping cream depending on which company you buy the whipping cream of, but for Tropolite you don't need to add ice. So I realized that I have a whisking machine at home, so then I used a whisking machine. But just in case if you don't have the machine, you can use the normal whisk and do it, but just make sure that you're continuously whisking it. So this is how the paste will look after the whisking is done. You have to whisk it till the time it becomes this thick. So then I took a Ziploc plastic bag and I started filling it with the whipped cream that I just made. I made it into a cone and made a cut in order to use it for the whipped cream. Then I grated some dark chocolate in order to use it for the decor and the presentation. So the decor is just the experiments that I wanted to do. In one glass I poured the whipped cream below, and in the second glass I poured the whipped cream on top of the hot chocolate. That's exactly how you spoil the whole look. I sprinkled some cocoa powder and then I also added grated dark chocolate on it.
I hope you all like it. So this was the first time that I made it and the presentation was not that great, but the taste was amazing and I'll definitely work on my presentation. But when you all try it, do mention in the comment section below how you all like it, and also if you all try then please tag me on Instagram. Also guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and show it to all of your cousins, friends, and you all can make it together. Yeah, bye, take care.